And I think when you can get that relationship to the point where it's like that, that's what we call like an anti-fragile, an unbreakable relationship, right? Because whenever problems come, whenever like bad feelings come, literally bad feelings create closer bonds. So if like imagine like your human body, for example, right? Imagine our human body was more anti-fragile than it is. Like the more radiation you give it, the more like germs and viruses you give it, the more cigarettes you smoke, right? The stronger it gets. You cannot die. There's no way you can die. The more, if you get hit by a car, your body just regenerates into something bigger and stronger. That's literally the relationship that we're creating. When you can deal with resistance, you cannot die. It's impossible. The only way it dies is if you pretend like the problems doesn't exist in the first place, and you avoid problems in the first place, which doesn't create an anti-fragile relationship anyway. That's the only, like, literally, no matter how you cut it, you cannot die that relationship anymore, you know? And that's like the most beautiful thing is like the path now becomes when you met, you're here, but this is not even the highest peak, like most people.
Yeah.
Peak is about to come, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I feel. It's, yeah, it is a pretty awesome feeling.
Yeah.